So in the previous video, we have discussed about for this problem, we have find out the an, bn, and a naught value. So this is a problem. So in that we have find out a naught is equal to 0, and this is a formula for the Fourier series, right? So let me copy this formula, and here and for this problem we have find out an value is equal to 4 by n pi sin n pi by 2, and the bn value is equal to 0. Okay, so here we are going to find so this is a formula for Fourier series. So this formula I can rewrite it as a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an. This I can write it as e power j n t plus e power minus j n t divided by 2, right? Plus bn. This I can write it as e power j n 5 t minus e power minus j n omega t divided by 2j. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, so in this if I take a naught, I can take I can rewrite it as e power j n t. If I take it common, I can write it as a n plus b n divided by 2 common. I can write a n plus b n divided by a n plus b n divided by j. Okay. Similar way, if I take e power minus j n omega t common, I can write a n by 2, you can take it common, minus bn divided by j. Okay, so this again I can rewrite it as x of t plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. This I can write it as e power j n omega t into a n. This I can write as if I multiply j and j here, I will get minus j b n divided by 2. Okay, plus e power minus j n omega t a n minus, this becomes plus, right, plus j b n divided by 2. So from this I can write this cn, this one as cn a n minus j b n divided by 2, whereas c minus n I can write it as otherwise c of, since it is a complex conjugate of this one, cn complex conjugate is a n plus j b n divided by 2. Okay, so just substitute in this equation. X of t is equal to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity cn e power j n omega naught t plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity cn complex conjugate e power minus j n omega naught t. So in this equation, if you see, let me take this one as say. Okay, so if I want to change the value of n into minus n, this becomes n is equal to minus 1 to minus infinity, right? Okay, so I can rewrite it as this one as minus infinity to minus 1. So I'm going to change the change n into minus m. Okay. So now you can see so here if you see Cn of Cn complex conjugate is nothing but C of minus n. So this becomes C of n. Okay, C of n. So I can write A naught plus C. You can see from minus infinity to 1, and from after 1 you have A naught, that is for n is equal to 0. From after that you have 1 to infinity. So this whole term I can write it as summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity C of n e power j n omega naught t. Okay, x of t. Since if I substitute n is equal to 0, this C naught and A naught is equal. Okay, C naught is equal to A naught. So from this we have already find the value of so from this I can again rewrite this equation as Cn is equal to 1 divided by d summation minus infinity to infinity. Okay, otherwise from t to some this one must be some t plus t to t plus t. I can write like this. Okay, x of t e power minus j n omega naught t dt. Perfect. I can take it as t naught because since these two are different. Okay. So from this I can write so we have find out the formula, right? So C naught is equal to 1 divided by in this problem, in the previous problem I have taken d is equal to 4, right? So this is a question. So just copy this question. So for this one we are going to find the Fourier series coefficient. So that is my question. Okay, and I have also derived the so this is my question, right? So I already obtained the formula for value for a naught, that is 0. So again I'm going to substitute in this formula and I'm going to check. Okay, 1 divided by 4 sum, this is from minus 1 to 3. X of t we need to find, and if I substitute n is equal to 0 it becomes 1 dt. Okay, so 1 by 4. So from minus 1 to 1 it is minus 1, it is 1, right? This is 1 dt plus from 1 to 3 it is minus 1 of dt. Okay, so if I substitute 1 divided by 4 you will get t minus 1 to 1 plus minus t 3 to 1. So it becomes 1 divided by 4, 1 plus 1 minus, if I take it common, minus 3 divided by 1, it is equal to 1 divided by 4, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So we have find out the value of C naught, that is 0, right? So similar way we need to find the value of Cn. Cn is equal to again that is 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4. Let me find the value of okay 1 divided by 4, it is from minus 1 to 3 x of t e power minus j omega naught t dt, n omega naught t dt, right? So this is equal to 1 divided by 4. From minus 1 to 1, it is 1, right? Minus a n omega naught t dt, plus from 1 to 3, it is minus. So minus e power j minus n omega naught t dt. So on solving, you will get 1 divided by 4 e power minus a omega naught t dt divided by minus a omega naught minus 1 divided by plus minus e power minus j n omega naught t divided by minus a n omega naught. That is equal to 1 divided by 4. If you take common, then I am going to substitute for d, I am going to substitute 1, right? Again for minus t, it becomes a n omega naught minus e power minus j 3 n omega naught minus j n omega naught minus e power j n omega naught. So here the omega naught value is equal to 2 pi divided by 4, right? That is pi by 2. So you substitute this pi by 2 here. So in this you take 4 minus j n, this is pi by 2, right? Instead of omega, I am going to substitute pi by 2, and I have taken this as common, right? So e power minus j pi by 2 minus e power j n pi by 2 minus e power minus j 3 pi by 2 m plus e power minus j n pi by 2. Okay. So here you see I can cancel this one. So I can write minus 2j n pi. Okay, these two I can add these two things. So 2 e power minus j n pi by 2 minus e power j n pi by 2, this one, minus e power minus j, this 3 pi by 2 I can write as pi by 2 minus 2 pi. Pi by 2 minus 2 pi. So this becomes minus 3 pi divided by 2, right? Yeah. Plus e power, sorry, this one get added with this one, so don't have this. Okay. So I can write 1 divided by n pi into minus 2j, right? This is 2 e power j n pi by 2 minus e power j n pi by 2. So e power 0, this is 0, right? E power 0 is 1. So you can write e power minus j pi by 2 of m. So these two get added. So you'll get 2 e power minus j. So I can write this one as 2 e power minus j. Okay. I can take 2 also, 2 common. Alright. So I can write 2 divided by n pi. Okay. This is minus. So this minus if it comes inside, so you will get e power j n pi by 2 minus e power minus j n pi by 2 divided by 2j. So what is the formula for this one? This is nothing but sin n pi, right? Sin n pi by 2. Sin n pi by 2. So this is your C. So we know that the Cn is equal to An. Cn is equal to An minus j Bn divided by 2, right? So what is the An value? An value is, this is your An value. So An value is 1 divided by n pi 4 sine n pi by 2. So if it divided by 2, I get 2 n pi into sine n pi by 2. So this is how you have to solve this problem. Okay. Minus j Bn divided by 2. So here Bn value is 0. So we'll get An by 2. An value is 4 divided by n pi into 2 sine n pi by 2, right? So we'll get 2 sine n pi by 2. Okay. So this is what we are getting here. Okay. So if I want to find the value, so you can substitute here. Already we find out the value for C0 is 0 and C1. So you substitute this value 2 divided by pi sine pi by 2. Okay. So it is nothing but 2 divided by pi. Right? So for C2 value is 0, right? Since it is 2 pi, sine pi is 0. So we'll get C2 as 0 and C3. C3 is 2 divided by 3 pi sine 3 pi divided by 2. So you substitute the value for 3 pi. So you'll get the answer as 2 divided by 3 pi, right? It was minus sine 3 pi. What is 270? Sine 270. Sine 270 is minus 1. So we'll get minus 2 divided by 3 pi. So similarly, C4 is 0. C5 is C5 is 2 divided by 5 pi. You will get 2 divided by 5 pi, right? So if I want to take so this is nothing but with this I can find out the magnitude values, right? And you can see this is always even sign. That is, if I find the value of C1, C minus 1 value also for the same only. So this is nothing but C minus 3 value. Okay. This is equal to C minus 1. C minus 5 also you are having the same value. So if you want to find out the phase spectrum, okay. So the phase of C of 0 is 0. C of 1 is also 0. So here you don't have any J term, right? C2 also or 0. So everything is 0, okay, right? C5 is also 0.